Hey everyone, Akhil from WM Originals and welcome back to another video. Now we are today taking a look at Windows 10 version 2004. This update includes a number of new features and enhancements. This is the first Windows 10 update for 2020 and is packaging a few noteworthy new changes. This is not a huge update by any means, but it's an update. So let's get started. One of the best features of Windows 10 is virtual desktops, and with this update there comes an option to rename these virtual desktops. And here you can see I have two desktops on this laptop and I am renaming them as per my preference. Work desktop, office desktop, and adding one more desktop as WM Original. What this can help in is I can now recognize what type of applications are open in one certain virtual desktop. Another nice thing in this update are some new icons which will be rolling out over the time. So these are not specific to this version of Windows 10. They will be rolling out through the Microsoft Store, which means they will be coming to older versions of Windows 10 as well. A number of apps will be getting a new icons over the course of this new year. Mail, calendar, weather, news, movies and TV, calculators, alarm and clocks, all sort of system applications will be getting new icons over time. There's quite a few changes in here. First of all, if we jump into accounts and go to sign in options, you will notice that there's a new thing where Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft account. What this does is remove your password. There's an option for logging in your PC without any password. So I have turned it on now. So if I lock my PC and press enter, you will see that it's using Windows Hello and I no longer have the option to type in my actual Microsoft account password. So this is just another form of security that removes the password from the equation almost entirely. Well, this is a nice way to sort of enhance security over so slightly because your Microsoft account pattern is universal across all your PCs. So if somebody has your Microsoft account password, they have access to all of your PCs unless you have this feature turned on, where now you can only use your bio-authentication or using your PIN, which hopefully is different across different devices. So if we jump out of there and jump into our network and internet, there's a new UI for doing all sorts of internet based things. So Microsoft has been working hard at enhancements at the network and internet page within these settings up here. Now real quick, if you press on the Windows plus full stop key here or the period key, you will get access to the emoji panel. This is not new to Windows 10 by any means, but since this is a new update, there's a bunch of a new sort of content within here, new emojis and new emojis as well. So if you are a user of those, you can take an advantage of all the new ones I don't know present inside the little panel here. This is what I had in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask those in comments. I will love to answer those. I may have missed your favorite feature, so if you want me to make a tutorial on that, you can ask those in comments as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.